Unlock your career potential with SQL Server Training. You won't believe what just happened. I took this online SQL Server training from SAAR Technosoft, and it's changed everything for me. Okay, reasons? You'll be surprised. The course was incredibly detailed, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques. And the instructor? A Microsoft certified database administrator. He gave us insider tips on cracking interviews and solving real-world challenges. You know what? After completing the course, I immediately started getting recognized for my new skills. Endless opportunities have opened up for me. Projects that used to scare me, now I tackle them with ease. Their interview preparation tips helped me get a promotion. And soft skills training was an add-on. Let's hear what our company's data expert, Jane, has to say about my upgraded skills through this course.
This course is a full package for beginners and experts. By developing data analysis skills using SAAR SQL training, professionals can uncover insights, drive efficiency, and make informed decisions to achieve their goals.
They've just opened registrations for the next batch starting on 16th September. So, if you want to level up your career like I did, this is your chance. Don't wait, trust me, this is the boost your career needs. Head over to SAAR Technosoft and enroll today. You'll thank me later.